Biography of Benjamin Holt, tractor inventor and founder of Giant Caterpillar. Biography of Benjamin Holt. Benjamin Holt Leroy was an American inventor of heavy equipment called a tractor. He was born on January 1, 1849 and died on December 5, 1920. Tractors were used for agricultural purposes and heavy vehicle engineering. Apart from that, they were also used in World War I for war purposes. The tractor's unique wheels can spread the weight over a wide area, preventing the vehicle from sinking into soft ground. Holt founded his company together with his brothers under the name Holt Manufacturing Company and obtained a related patent for a tractor vehicle from a company in England, Richard Hornsby and Sons of Grantham, England, in 1911. Benjamin Holt Leroy lived in a family that was accustomed to woodworking activities. To make vehicle wheels, this activity is carried out by the whole family, from parents to siblings. They are used to sending goods from one place to another. From this experience, Holt learned lessons ranging from engineering and business. Forming a company in California. Benjamin Holt arrived in California in 1883. The Holt brothers formed the Stockton Wheel Company. The company prepared land for use in California's arid valleys and the desert west. They started their business in the Central Valley town of Stockton, California, where the climate was suitable for drying wooden wheels. Benjamin was recognized by his family as a genius mechanic and entrepreneur. Benjamin was able to restore fields that were previously fruitless. Benjamin Holt produced his first horse named link belt combined harvester. This machine uses a toothed flexible chain belt to transmit power from the wheels to the ground, which works mechanically. However, at that time the tractor made by Benjamin still used horsepower, not an engine. The first machine tractor. In 1890, Holt built the first steam-powered tractor engine nicknamed Old Betsy. The engine has specifications: 60 horsepower, 45 kilowatts on a 24 feet 7.3 m long frame from a single 11 inches 280 millimeters diameter, 12 inches 300 millimeters stroke piston. The fuel used is firewood, coal, or oil. It registered 675 US gallons, 2,560 L, 562 imp-gal of water, weighed 48,000 pounds 22,000 kilograms and rode on large metal wheels. Holt tractors could harvest large fields for 1/6 the cost of pulling by horsepower. In 1892 the Holts produced a steam tractor capable of transporting 50 tons of goods at a speed of 3 miles per hour, 4.8 km/h. In that year, Benjamin Holt became chairman of the company and the company was founded as the Holt Manufacturing Company. One of the next innovations is to produce a harvesting machine that can be used on hill slopes. He added 2 separate wooden frames that allowed the drive wheels to be raised or lowered independently of each other. This allows the combine to operate on steep slopes such as 30 degrees while the threshing machine remains horizontal. However, the machine was 36 feet 11 m wide and required 20 or more horses or mules to pull it. Holt challenge. While more than 100 patents related to crawler-type tread tractors have been issued worldwide, all have failed to work in the field. The center of innovation was in England, and in 1903 Holt traveled to England to learn more about sustainable development. Although everyone had seen many failures, Benjamin returned to Stockton and utilized his knowledge and company. On November 24, 1904, in the fields around Stockton, California, he successfully demonstrated the first successful running of a track-type tractor. After the war ended, Holt focused less on agricultural machinery and more seriously on producing road-building equipment. On December 5, 1920, aged 71, Benjamin Holt died after a month-long illness. Founding of Caterpillar. Caterpillar Inc. was originally formed in 1925 as a result of a merger between the Holt Manufacturing Company and the C.L. Best Tractor Company. The original name Caterpillar came from the previous year. In the early 1900s, in search of a way to improve the mobility and traction of his company's steam tractors, Benjamin Holt replaced the wheels with wooden tracks bolted to chains. The innovation worked so well that one observer said the machines crawled together like caterpillars. Holt agreed, and nicknamed his new machine Caterpillar, a name that was eventually trademarked in 1910. In 1986, Caterpillar officially changed the company name from Caterpillar Tractor Company to Caterpillar Incorporated. While Benjamin Holt was instrumental in the development of the tractor industry, well before the official launch of Caterpillar, a series of important accomplishments continued to occur after the formation of the new company in 1925. In the 1930s, for example, Caterpillar engines played a critical role in the construction of the Golden Gate, Grand Coulee Dam, and Mississippi bridges. Embankment construction project. Caterpillar heavy equipment supported the U.S. military effort during World War II, and the company was able to increase production in the United States to produce more than 51,000 military track-type tractors. International expansion in 1950. Caterpillar expanded significantly into various overseas markets after the World War. 1950s Cat engines helped build the prestigious 10.5-mile superhighway that facilitated transportation across the Andes Mountains in Venezuela. In 1953, the Indian government purchased 93 Cat machines to assist in state-owned road construction projects. Cat machines also contributed to the completion of the event site for the 1956 Olympics in Melbourne. Cat even provides equipment for use in the world's most challenging locations, as evidenced by the use of Cat machines by the U.S. military during Operation Freeze 3 deep in Antarctica at the end of the decade. Continued growth through acquisition. In addition to improving and enhancing manufacturing efforts over the years, Caterpillar's history is highlighted by a process of growth through a series of acquisitions. In 1965, Cat expanded its forklift line through the acquisition of Mentor, Ohio-based tow motor corporation. In 1981, Cat entered the world of the gas turbine industry by acquiring the solar and turbo machinery divisions of the International Harvester Company. Significant international acquisitions include Perkins Limited, a British company producing small diesel engines in 1998, and MWM Holding GmbH, a German company producing gas and diesel generator sets in 2010. A thriving partnership with an eye on the future. To date, Caterpillar continues to be a leading manufacturer of heavy equipment in the world. Always looking for ways to increase its footprint and provide more service to customers, Caterpillar is also entering several other business areas, such as selling financial products and insurance. Cleveland Brothers looks forward to continuing its strong and enduring partnership with the world leader well into the future, as well as providing customers with a wide range of quality Cat machines and equipment for many years to come. Holt's moral message of struggle. Sometimes our discomfort with something can motivate us to make uncomfortable things comfortable with creativity, and Benjamin Holt has proven it.